Welcome to Setting Up Your Day. Today our topic is the power to trend. It is a fact that whose child you are determines to a reasonable degree the privileges you can enjoy in life. Our sonship in God positions us naturally for supernatural power. The most powerful God cannot have a powerless child, but as many as receive him, to them he gave the power to become the sons of God. John 1:12. There is enough power in you to function as though the devil does not exist. Behold, I give unto you power to tread upon serpents and scorpions and over all the power of the enemy, and nothing shall by any means hurt you. Luke 10:19. Whether or not you are using the power is a different matter, but to be a child of God qualifies and positions you for power. Now, treading on a serpent represents treading on deception, danger, diseases, and death. When you understand this, then you will understand that God is saying in essence, I give unto you power over deception, over danger, over disease, and premature death. Nothing shall by any means hurt you. Now, what does the power to trend refer to? Number one, it is a power to dominate the enemy and his forces of deception, danger, disease, and death. Two, it is a power to bring the enemy and his forces under control and into subjection. Three, it is a power to walk in mastery and victory over the enemy and his forces. This means there is enough power in you to function as though the devil does not exist. Today I prophesy the release of a power on your life, the power to trend as if the devil does not exist. In Jesus' name. Remain blessed. Have a glorious day.